welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Alicia, and
It's me, Kyle.
yes, and today we have some Pizza Hut.
And
So, do you want to go first? So, this is her food.
I got breadstick and pepperoni pizza.
Yes, and this is my food.
And you got
I have
pepperoni
sausage,
pizza?
pepperoni, and a chicken or wing. And today we're going to be doing Get to Know About Me. So,
Sorry about that.
Get to Know Me
Get to
tag.
know-
Yeah. So,
And don't forget, Elizabeth was the one who requested pizza.
also, thank you, Elizabeth, for requesting us to do Pizza Hut.
Pizza.
Yeah,
Oh, pizza, okay.
we have a lot of mukbangs.
Okay, let's start. I'm gonna try a bite first.
And let your Thea know you're going to do makeup soon.
Also, Alicia, just to let you know, we're gonna do makeup very soon. That's good.
Okay.
Okay, first one. I was born in April 29th.
That's my
I was born in April
29.
2009.
Question.
Huh? Oh, the question is when I was born. I was born in April 4th, 2009, and you were born. Where were you born?
April 29th.
She was born April 29th, 2013. My full name is Alicia Lata Gomez. What's yours?
And Kyla Gomez.
No, Kyla Naomi Gomez.
What?
Yes, it also says, what's your full name and are you proud of it?
My second name is AK.
Are you named after someone? If yes, then after whom? I'm named after my tia Alicia. Tia Alicia. My name is Alicia.
My name's Kyla.
And she is not named after anyone.
What?
Who? Who's she named after?
Papa Elias.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes. Duh.
Where are you from and are you proud of it? I'm from Phoenix and I'm kind of proud of it, not really, because
Born in
I was born in Phoenix. I'm not really proud of it because I'm the only one who is, well, I'm kind of proud of it because I was the only one who was born in Phoenix. She was born in Mesa. Born in Mesa.
I was born in Mesa.
Do you love playing any sports or just watching it? I'd rather play it than watch because I feel like watching just like it's kind of boring. But when you're playing it, it's actually fun.
This is a card.
And yeah.
I don't need
Which one is better, basketball or baseball? I want to say basketball is better, but I want to say baseball is easier for me.
baseball.
Because basketball, it's hard to like get it in the hoops because I'm kind of short, so I'm kind of tall.
My favorite is soccer ball.
What?
Soccer ball.
I didn't ask that, but okay. Who's your favorite in modern, or who's your favorite person in modern history? What does that mean? Like, is Amelia Earhart someone like that? Okay, I'm just going to say
We
Amelia
put this
Earhart.
thing here up here.
Actually, I'm going to say George Washington. Because he was the first president. Okay. Who's your favorite writer in modern history? I didn't really read books that were old, but yeah. So no
Last
one.
week, our first day of school, we made pizza out of paper. But I had
Who
the
is your favorite musician from 20th century? I'm just gonna skip that one.
Stop, man.
Do you love animals? If yes, then which one do you love most? Yes, I love animals. I want to say probably the most one I love is probably a puppy. Okay, what kind of animal do you like?
Horses.
Okay then.
Actually, I like turtles.
This one I'm not very sure of, but it says, how many children do you want to have?
About 3.
When I get older, Mom. Probably about 2 or 3.
Probably I will have 2.
This one, I'm gonna skip this one, but it says, are you married or single, and why?
I will have a baby sister and a baby brother.
I'm single.
I have a baby sister and a baby brother.
If you are not married, when are you gonna get married? When I'm probably
Never.
when I'm like either the middle 20s or
No.
probably
kidding me.
Probably the early 20s or the middle 20s. Like 25. What is my favorite drink of all? AK, what's your favorite drink?
Diet Coke.
Sprite.
Yeah, we drink Sprite a lot. But I want to say I love Pineapple Crush. I love all kinds of Sprite. Like, I love all soda except Coke, Pepsi, and Dr. Pepper.
I like Dr. Pepper and Diet Coke and Sprite.
Okay.
I feel like it's all soda.
I like all dessert sodas.
What is your most favorite scene from movies?
The kissing scenes.
I'm kind of the person who likes to watch like a love story, like Romeo and Juliet. But I don't really watch that stuff. But yeah, I like to watch like sad movies mixed with a love story.
I like sad.
So yeah, this is hot.
Movies.
And this is only the
Scary
medium one.
movies. I can't see that.
Okay.
It's just
This one says, if you love snakes, which one is your favorite?
my favorite color snake.
I don't really like snakes. They're scary.
My favorite is Pachysaurus
What?
snake. Pachysaurus snake. Like a snake
Do you love
has
music?
horns.
Which genre?
Pachysaurus
Genre
snake.
is your favorite.
Like
Do you know what Pachysaurus snake is? That it has a horn and it has spiky eyes on your long tail.
I don't really know any of that much, but I kind of like hip hop. Kind of.
Oh.
Not a lot.
My favorite part on the table.
No. Okay. Please tell me, which one is your favorite? Old school rap or today's new age rappers? Probably old school, yeah. How tall are you? Have you ever dreamed about being tall, even ever taller? No. I'm kind of tall for my age. I'm 9, as I said. Kind of. I'm kind of tall. She's kind of short.
I'm 5 years old.
Have you ever dreamed about being taller?
I had a dream that I was holding the baby around.
Oh, so she never had a dream. What is your favorite number? And please tell us why. I want to say 8, because 8 is just like, I feel like it's a lucky number. I don't know why.
My favorite.
And
my
I feel like
favorite
8
number
is when, like, is I feel like 8 is when you. That's the age when you start to get like older.
My favorite number is Z.
Are you getting full, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do one more question and then we're gonna end it. Do you have a fear of anything? If it's not secret, please tell us what you fear the most. I would be scared of losing my family, but probably if it wasn't that, scared of the dark. I hate the dark. But if I'm with my family, I'm okay. But we're gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also,
What
if
about AK's fear?
AK, what are you scared of most?
Of losing my family in the dark.
Same fear as Kiki?
Okay. We're gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And bye.
10,000
Try to give us at least
10,000 likes.
200. If you can do it on the Wingstop, you can do it on this video. Bye.
The beast.